I'm driving home and I make a left on the street instead of a right. And that turn I made causes a change of events that creates a tornado in Europe in 20 years.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Antebellum Decoded Way too early. A successful author finds herself in a horrifying reality and must figure out the mystery behind it before it is too late. Now, this movie is not directed by Jordan Peele, but the directors of this movie have the same feel as a Jordan Peele, as they make social injustice race movies. And like we know about Mr. Peele, he loves to use race and social changes in his movies. He loves to make you think about these social issues and dynamics that plague American history. That's why the same producers of Us and Get Out picked it up. In this new movie, Antebellum, we have to tap into the movie name first. Antebellum. Antebellum means occurring or existing before a particular war, especially the American Civil War. Basically, the feeling you have before a war pursues. This zone, this mindset, the state of confusion you're in.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
In the Antebellum trailer, it looks as if there is two different time zones getting mixed up and blended in the errors. Entering into these different dimensions and falling into a chaos zone that changes realities. Chaos zone. What's that? Well, in chaos theory is an interdisciplinary theory stating that within the apparent randomness of chaotic complex systems, there are underlying patterns, interconnectedness, constant feedback loops, repetition, self-similarity, fractals, and self-organization. The flight of a butterfly can be very cruel in a place and time that allows for change.
Message!
Go see my Rising Empowered Nipsey Hussle energy video. This is the idea of a small change in a step you take will change the outcome of something happening in the future. For example, I'm driving home and I make a left on the street instead of a right. And that turn I made causes a change of events that creates a tornado in Europe in 20 years. Go see the butterfly effect. This realm of reality we're in is ever changing, and the dynamics and the outcomes can shift when in a blink of an eye. You have free will, true indeed, but this invisible energy is going to move you in the purpose you set out to have in your journey. Go see my How to Live in Your Purpose video. As Veronica, Chanel Monet is an author, and I'm pretty sure she's writing out the events of Antebellum South. Just like in the movie The Butterfly Effect, he was writing out his chaos theory, changing the course of the future. Writing is a powerful tool because you're placing your ideas and thoughts in the now. When you write in the act of it's happening now, you can see your reality shift and take form. Things begin to happen. Energy starts to shift. Thoughts become relevant in your life that takes a turn of events of happening. We don't have much to go off from the trailer, but when we use our KI state of mind and see certain symbols that lines it up, we can then sense out a suspenseful thriller that will keep us on the edge of our seats. Dream wise.